Yes. For me, a player that plays in that position is a player that has to link and has to create and not to create problems to his own team. And of course, in that situation there, an objective counter-attack would probably end with a goal or with an action, and it ended with a counter-attack behind our defenders. Of course, we weren't balanced because when you are in possession, you have the fullbacks wider, and one midfielder is normally also in a different line. So they caught us in counter-attack, and they transformed the result of a game that was totally in our hands. So yes, I was upset.